In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream a pre-recorded video in StreamYard. If you want to schedule a polished video to go out as a live stream without going live yourself, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. First, log into StreamYard using a reliable browser and a stable internet connection. Once you land on the dashboard, look for the Create button on the homepage and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Live Stream. This tells StreamYard you're setting up a broadcast rather than a one-off recording. Next, select Pre-recorded video. This option lets StreamYard play your uploaded file at the time you choose, instead of pulling from your camera or microphone in real time. Click Upload and choose your video file from your computer. Give the upload a moment to complete and process. Larger files will take longer. For best results, use a clean, high-quality file with clear audio. Keep an eye on any file size or length limits shown on screen, and consider trimming out long silence or countdowns so viewers get to the content quickly. Now choose your destination. You can send your stream to platforms like YouTube or Facebook. Select the destination you want and double-check the title, description, and privacy settings that appear for that platform. If you have multiple destinations available, confirm each one is set the way you expect so your audience knows when and where to watch. Set the date and time for your broadcast. Make sure the time zone matches your audience and build in enough lead time for thumbnails, captions, or promotion if you plan to share the link ahead of time. A quick calendar check helps avoid scheduling overlaps or late-night surprises. When everything looks right, click Create Broadcast. You'll see a confirmation that your event is scheduled, along with the date, time, and destination details. This is a great moment to copy the watch link and add it to your social posts or newsletter. From here, StreamYard handles the rest. Your video will automatically go live at the scheduled time, even if you are offline. Because it's cloud-hosted, you don't need to keep your computer on or your browser open. Just make sure your final uploaded file is exactly what you want your viewers to see. That's it. You've scheduled a pre-recorded video to stream through StreamYard with just a few simple clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.